y'all. Welcome to or welcome back to Dave's Tech Away, whichever the situation may be. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a bootable USB flash drive for your Windows installation and repairs. This will be good for installing Windows, and it's also good for repairing Windows if you need it. So once you use it to install, be sure to keep the flash drive. Let me get set up and I'll show you how it's done. Alright guys, to get this done you need a computer with an internet connection and a USB flash drive. It don't matter what type. You need at least a 4 gigabyte hard flash drive to get this done. You put your flash drive into your PC. I prefer a USB 2 or a USB 3, which is most common. Just about all of them is either USB 2 or USB 3 anymore. So there's my flash drive that I just put in. Hold on. There's the flash drive that I just put in. It's letter E. You want to keep that in mind, whatever letter it picks out for it, which depending on your computer, it will assign its own drive letter. Like the photo showed, it is blank. Pull up your internet, whatever browser you like. I like Google Chrome. Put in Windows 10 ISO, just like so. The first option that pops up right there, it's, you look underneath, it says download Windows 10 disk image. It's from Microsoft. That's the one you want to click on. Go down here to create a Windows install media, download tool now. Let this run its thing. We'll put in the downloads. And let it do its downloads. Hit open. It's pretty well just click and play. Hit yes to that. That way it's just giving it permission to download. Go ahead and close that out. Getting a few things ready. Alright, eventually you end up coming up to this where you have to accept the terms and conditions of Windows. Alright, when this pops up, it says what do you want to do? It says upgrade this PC now or create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file for another computer. You want to click on the second one down, hit next. You want English, Windows 10. I always go with the Windows 64-bit. Use a USB flash drive or ISO. We use the USB flash drive. The only one that's listed, because it's the only one I have plugged into my PC right now. If you have more than one USB drive plugged in, it'll give you a list, and you'll have to make sure you pick the right one. But you click the one that you want. You click next and let it do its thing. Alright guys, that took roughly 20 minutes or so to get done. But now all you have to do, once it does its thing, is hit the finish button. And then you can eject the USB drive. Save to remove hardware. Now that USB drive is going to be your Windows 10 installation and repair tool. You can use it to install Windows, you can use it to repair Windows. Let me get the new computer hooked up here and I will show you how to install off of it. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the new computer hooked up that I need to install Windows 10 on. So I'm going to put in the USB drive here that we built that has Windows 10 installer onto it. I'm going to put that into a USB 3 port on the back because it is a USB 3 thumb drive. And then we're going to restart the computer and it should automatically pick up the thumb drive and start booting off the thumb drive. We'll see if it happens. guys, and it worked. This will be the first screen you see. English, USA, USA English. Hit next. Hit install now. I do have a product key, which I will not be showing that on film, just due to because I don't need nobody to have my product key. So I'm gonna go down here to the little writing. I'm gonna hit this do not have a product key. We want home 64 edition. There on top is already selected for us. I'm gonna go down and hit next. And you gotta accept the Microsoft license agreement. Hit next. You can either upgrade or you can do a custom install. We want to do the custom install. As you can tell, we have two hard drives here, which I didn't unplug the mass storage drive. So you have the top one that's 223 gigabyte. Then the bottom one is the 931 gigabyte. You want to pick the SSD, which is going to be that 223 gigabyte. And you're going to hit next. If you have an older hard drive, guys, on that part there, you'll have to go in and delete all the different sections of it till it becomes one mass drive again, and then you can hit then you can install it on the one drive. If there's any other portions, because it's a used drive, I would recommend deleting all the other ones, get it all back to a blank slate, and then installing. And we'll let this thing do its thing. When it gets to here, you go ahead and hit the restart now button, and the computer will boot through its cycle. Alright, now since it's done its things, now you have a few choices to make. I live in the United States, so I want the United States. The US is the keyboard layout. I don't want another keyboard layout, so we're going to skip that. Ethernet, we're just going to skip that for right now. Username, I ain't sure who's going to get this computer, so we're just going to put user for right now. Password, if it's your PC and you want a password, I would put a password on it. Right now I don't want a password because there's going to be a lot of restarts on it. Katana, no, I don't want nothing to do with her. We're going to go down through here and we're going to disable all of these. I don't like none of them. Of course, your opinion may vary on this, but this is a lot of the tracking stuff that Windows has that nobody likes. So you want to make sure all of them's on the off or the no position, and hit the accept button. Alright, there we're on the desktop. Alright, y'all. That is the way you create the USB flash drive for Windows 10 repair and installation. Like I said, it's good for repairs as well, so once you get your Windows 10 installed, make sure you keep track of that flash drive. And I also recommend, I didn't show it in the video, but once you get Windows 10 in, you get to the desktop, even though it is a brand new ISO image that's on that flash drive, be sure to go in and check your Windows updates. You'll probably be surprised at how many updates there actually is to the software once it's installed. If you like the video, hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos and content from me when that comes public. And until next time, you all have a good day.